So we had the first ever Pamodzi experience, and that was awesome.
So allow me to invite the rest of the band, Rocky and John.
It was just amazing. I just saw what the musicians had done, and so I just follow him, and it was really amazing.
I met these 3 awesome guys from American school, and they backed me up today.
I just need a time or place to come through.
I think it really helped me improve as a guitarist and get some really strong experience.
Hey, this is James Sakala, and I really had a good time at the event.
When I woke up this morning, I didn't know I would be getting the opportunity to work with such talent, so this was like an amazing experience.
I'm originally from Kitwe, and I found myself at this show because Zamba invited me, and it's been amazing. I'm glad I came.
Great crowd, great atmosphere. You know, it's about Pamodzi and cultural exchange.
I think it was a great opportunity to see all these different Zambian artists in one show.
I'll never forget this night.
Pamodzi experience, promoting unity through music.